2024 has been a year of growth, lessons, and bold decisions. It's the year I began my Sisterlocks journey, a choice that had taught me patience, resilience, and the beauty of embracing the process. Let me take you through this incredible journey from March to December. It all began on March 3rd, 2024, when I officially installed my Sisterlocks. I was thrilled to embrace this new chapter of hair care, but I soon realized there was so much more to learn about size, maintenance, and the journey ahead. This was my starting point, and I couldn't wait to see how my locks would grow over time. Fast forward to October 23rd, 2024, I realized the original size of my locks wasn't what I had envisioned. They were much larger than standard sister locks and leaned more towards micro locks. So I made the bold decision to take them out and start all over. This time, I found a certified sister lock consultant who gave me the precise sizing I wanted. Although the sizes aren't perfect yet, they feel closer to what I envisioned, and I plan to resize a few of the larger ones in the future. It was a fresh start that reminded me of how important it is to trust the right professionals. December marked my final retie of the year, a perfect moment to reflect on how far my locks have come.
Join me today, Monday. It's time for my first retie after I restarted my Sisterlocks. So let's make it a day in my life. Going for my first retie after I restarted my Sisterlocks. Officially, my Sisterlocks are 10 months old. My Sisterlock is 10 months old, but because I restarted again in October, it's going to be 2 months. So I'm getting my first retie after I restarted, after reinstallation. So let's get ready and join me as I take you along the way to the salon.
For this retie, I wanted to end the year with a sense of closure and excitement. So I prepared and truly enjoyed the process. Each retie is a reminder of my hair's growth and my own personal growth this year. It has been an incredibly rewarding experience, and I am grateful for every step of this journey.
So let's pack my bag. My clothes bag. This one always comes with me in case I get bored. Some of this. My favorite. Hand cream. Lip gloss. Sunshade. Shades. Moisturized hands. Now my hand is moisturized. after I take? Will it be up to 2 hours? Okay, maybe 1 hour or less. Since I don't have much hair again. Because I want my lines to be very straight and perfect. Because I used to make hair.
From March to December, my Sisterlock journey has been about growth, setbacks, and self discovery. My locks are young but hold so much potential. Just like the new year ahead, this is the beginning, and I can't wait to share more in my upcoming Sisterlock Chronicles series. Stay tuned! Hi guys, so today is 31st of December, last year of 2024. I want to show my Sisterlock's progress so far and check out the measurement on my hair. Currently I have, last time I counted my locks was in October. I had 288. Previously it was 205. I restarted my locks in October. I got a retie because I had to start all over again. I took out 80% of my Sisterlocks. Crazy, right? So the first electrician that installed my locks for me didn't get them right. The sizes, the installation process, he didn't get them right. He wasn't even a Sisterlock expert. So that was a big mistake I made, and I paid the price. I learned the hard way. So currently, my Sisterlock has 2 dates here. First installment was in March 3rd, 2024, and my second installment was in October 23rd, 2024. So currently I have 2 dates for my Sisterlocks, and even though the sizes are not as perfect as I want, I still like them the way they are. Maybe sometime next year I might still have to lose some of the big ones, because trust me, I still have a lot of big ones here. I'm not happy with the size, and doing the reinstallment cost me a lot of money. So yeah, I'm paying the price for going to the wrong optician to get to install my hair. So yeah, I'm going to finish this one. Okay, so I'm done taking out my braids. Now it's find it to measurement. Because I had to use my Sisterlocks, the lengths were actually longer than this, but because I took some of it out, you lose your hair when you try to use your locks. It's a big risk. And I took those. So now, let's measure from front here. How many inches is this? Can you then do this equal? So this is the first one here. I don't know if I'll be able to see. So let's say this one is 5 inches. 5 inch. I can't measure all, but few of them that are long. I have one that is very long at the back. This one is almost 7. Let's say 6.5 inches. Now, where is one of my longest lock? I have one lock that is very long. I think it's here. I think it's this one. So this one would be I can't see. Seven and a half. Is this tape right? Am I using it right? Am I supposed to use this side or this side? I think it's this side. Here's me thinking my hair is like 20 inches. I know this hair shrinks a lot. Sisterlocks shrinks a lot. Well, I can't do more than this. I think that's okay. So let's say I'm ending this year with let's just assume it's 10 inches. 7.5 inches long. It's supposed to be more than that. When I installed my Sisterlocks, my hair was almost 25 inch long. You can see, and it shrinked, and there was a lot of shrinkage, and I lost a lot of my hair when I was trying to use my Sisterlocks. So some Sisterlocks spray. I think I have to do water first. Some hairspray. And that's it. One thing I like, scratch that. One thing I like about Sisterlocks is, since I've installed them, this has been easy for me when it comes to my hair. I don't have to bother about styling my hair when I'm going out. So one of the reasons why I installed Sisterlocks is that I was tired of making my hair breakage, no progress. It's so annoying. Hair product doesn't work. Something got into my eye. I think it was my hair. Anyways, to cut a long story short, this is my Sisterlocks, and this is how I'm ending it, with 7.5 inch. Let's just say 10. Some might be up to 10 because I didn't measure all of them, and I have some long ones at the back here. Anyway, so this is my Sisterlocks story, and if you're thinking of getting your hair lock, any kind of hair you want, any kind of locks you want, this is the time. Look how classy it looks. And people always say, Sisterlocks locks are unkept, they don't look clean, they don't look good, blah blah blah. Now girls are rocking it, showing you otherwise. Stay there and be condemning locks while we are here getting pretty. The faster you install the lock, the faster you have the chance to have a longer locks. See, long hair, and I've always wanted to have long hair, like Rapunzel. So this is one of the hair experiments you can do to get long hair, and you don't even have to
to do too much. You don't have to do too much, you know? Duh. Anyways, Happy New Year. See you in 2025, my fellow content creators. See you in 2025. Bye.
There you go. I swear I tried to, I can't let you go. I swear I tried to, you know I tried to. And you never really say what you wanted from me, baby, but I know what you want. Yeah, I know what you want. Then I did. Yeah. Then I did.